Everyone's out here chasing the next 10x coin. But what if I told you the real 10x? It's not a coin. It's the AI tools helping smart investors get ahead before the pump. This year, beginners are making better trades, not by luck, but with AI that finds trends, cuts risks, and saves time. I'm about to show you 7 AI tools that could seriously level up your crypto game, even if you've never traded before. Let's jump in. Tool 1, TokenMetrics. You open up CoinMarketCap, see 30 tokens, and feel lost. TokenMetrics changes that. It's like a personal research assistant that scores every project based on fundamentals, tech, even social momentum. The AI updates daily and tells you, here's what's trending, here's what's risky, here's what you might want to buy. It's not hype, it's data. And their smart portfolio builder even helps you build a long-term game plan based on your goals. If you're tired of guessing what to buy, TokenMetrics makes it painfully easy. Tool 2, CryptoGPT. Now imagine ChatGPT, but it only cares about crypto. That's CryptoGPT. You can ask it things like, what's the best altcoin under 100 million market cap right now? It checks on-chain data, social signals, even tokenomics, and gives you a real, sourced answer. Perfect if you're new, still learning, or just want instant insights without reading 100 Twitter threads. Ask, learn, execute. Tool 3, Moralis Money. Moralis Money is built for one thing, finding coins before they explode. It scans the blockchain in real time and shows you which tokens are getting new holders, fresh liquidity, or whale attention. You can set alerts, track new tokens under 10 million market cap, and get notified the moment they move. It's like having a radar that spots momentum before the masses do. If you want early entries, this tool is your best friend. Tool 4, DexCheck. Ever wonder what whales are buying right now? DexCheck tells you. It watches decentralized exchanges and gives you a live feed of what smart money is doing. You'll see top wallet moves, trending tokens, even sniper bots. You can follow their trades or set alerts to copy them instantly. This isn't guesswork. It's real-time visibility into how pros trade. If you're getting value from this video, hit that like button. It helps more than you know. And if you've got a favorite AI tool, drop it in the comments. Let's build smarter together. Tool 5, Revert Finance. DeFi is messy. One week you're earning yield. The next week, you're wondering where your tokens even went. Revert cleans it all up. It pulls in all your wallets, shows you profits, losses, fees, and even predicts your future earnings. If gas prices spike, you'll get an alert. If your farm's ROI tanks, you'll know instantly. It's like having a DeFi accountant, but smarter. Tool 6, Kaito. Crypto moves at the speed of memes. Kaito makes sense of the chaos. It reads Twitter, Discords, GitHub, Reddit, all the noise, and gives you clear, AI-powered summaries. Wondering what's going on with a new airdrop? Ask Kaito. It delivers the entire story with links and facts. This tool is perfect for research without wasting time. Tool 7, TradeGPT. This one lives inside your exchange. TradeGPT, built by BitJet, watches the market and helps you make decisions in real time. Ask it, is this a good time to buy ETH? And it'll give you answers based on volume, resistance zones, and breaking news. It can even simulate trades for you. It's basically a pro trader baked into your browser. Bonus, Gemini credit card. Now, what if you could earn crypto without doing anything? Every time you spend money, gas, food, whatever, you could be stacking Bitcoin or Ethereum. That's exactly what the Gemini credit card does. It gives you up to 3% back in over 60 different cryptos. No points, no weird conversions. Just real crypto, daily. And if you use our referral link, you'll get $50 in Bitcoin after your first statement period. We use it, we recommend it. Apply with the link in the description and start earning on autopilot. Final recap. Let's make this simple. You don't need to trade full-time. You don't need to be a coder or a Wall Street analyst. You just need smart tools. TokenMetrics for research, CryptoGPT for answers, Moralis for early signals, DexCheck for whale tracking, Revert for DeFi management, Kaito for fast research, TradeGPT for live strategy. Use just one and you'll trade better. Use all 7. and you might catch the next 10x before it hits TikTok. If this gave you an edge, smash that like button and subscribe to Xupra Capital. Next up, how to use AI to farm airdrops before anyone else. You're early. Stay smart. This is Xupra Capital,